Okay, this is baby Kalie. This is little sweet baby Kalie. What are you doing, sweetheart? Huh? Oh. Little Kalie is available on our More Puggle Puppy page. She is going to be about I've got to say around 30 pounds full grown. 25 to 30 pounds full grown. She is very cute. We can get her little face over here. Show everybody your pretty little face. Yeah. She wouldn't give her a finger. I think she might want to go back to Mama. She's starting to get I can feel little teeth. Anyway, she is very cute and she is available.